How to use Zelle with Citizens Bank. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Zelle with Citizens Bank. In order to use Zelle with Citizens Bank, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to log into your Citizens Bank application. Once you're logged in from the home page, you have to navigate to Pay, Bill and People or Transfer and Pay menu and select Send Money with Zelle. Now you need to enroll for the Zelle if it is the first time. So accept the terms and conditions, then enter your mobile number or the email address and verify, and a verification code sent to you. After you're done, select the checking account you want to use for Zelle. Then you just need to choose a contact or add their email or US mobile number and enter the amount as well. So input the amount and an optional note. Review and confirm the funds that which is gonna arrive in a minute, and just share the enrolled email or US mobile number with the sender. And that's how you'll be able to use Zelle with Citizens Bank. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.